Hello, Charlie's Angels. This is your boy Charlie, back again with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we continue to rise up in 2023. I want to wish y'all a happy new year to the family today. Hope y'all enjoying y'all 2023, and I hope y'all looking forward to the new year like I am. And I just hope that this year will be the best year of your life. I'm at the car wash this morning, trying to get my car clean today, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Yeah, she's dirty today. Not in the back, but she is dirty today. Go ahead and get her clean. Jeremy did today and last year. Make sure everything's working. Yeah. So, Charlie's Angels, what's y'all plan for the new year? If you have a YouTube channel, what's your plan for your channel? Are you taking your channel in a different direction? Comment at the bottom, just let me know. I know mine is to continue to grow my YouTube channel, continue to strive to be the best in what I do. 2023, should be the year for me to get to where I want to be. So tell me what y'all plan for 2022. Y'all comment at the bottom, just let me know. Let's discuss it, let's talk about it. Off for a while. This weather I thought the sun was supposed to be out today. That is so wipe them off. Can you this? Come at this car wash, there's always something going on. I just ain't broken. I'll tell you. There's always something. I guess I have to come here. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Get the ride up for 2023. I'll talk to you on the next one. Okay. Peace.